Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be discussing about the international environmental organizations. One of the most important environmental organization is the IUCN, that is the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This is an important organization founded in the year 1948 and it is working in the field of nature conservation and sustainable use of natural resources. This organization, when it was initially formed in the year 1948, was called IUPN, that is International Union for Protection of Nature, and rather later got converted into IUCN. This IUCN has a membership of about 1400 governmental and non-governmental organizations and a lot of scientists working for the conservation of the nature. IUCN has an observer and a consultative status at the United Nations and also played a key role in the formation of World Wildlife Fund for Nature and also World Conservation Monitoring Center. IUCN was one of the few organizations involved in the preparation of the UN Conference of Human Environment that happened in 1972 and at Stockholm in Sweden, which eventually led to the three international conventions, that is Convention on Concerning Protection of World Cultural and Natural Heritage. This has been formed in conjunction with the UNESCO and IUCN. The other two are the CITES, that is Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, and also the Ramsar Convention, where IUCN provides a secretarial service as on date. It is headquartered in Gland at Switzerland. IUCN runs field projects for the habitat and species conservation around the world, and it comes out with the regular publication of Red List of Threatened Species and also Red List of the ecosystems, which are applicable at local, national, regional and global levels. The working of the IUCN has 6 commissions which advise the IUCN for the policy conservation measures. The important commission is the Species Survival Commission in the IUCN, which comes out with the Red List of Threatened Species. The important point to be noted here is this Red List of Threatened Species comprises of flora, fauna and also some part of fungi and not exclusively fauna. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding IUCN. A Red List of Threatened Species consists of plants, animals and fungi. It provides secretarial service to the Ramsar Convention. The correct answer is C. Contrary to the general perception, Red List contains all the other 3 species as well, that is plants and fungi also, not only animals. And it also provides secretarial service to the Ramsar Convention, as we have just discussed. Therefore, the correct option is C, both. Thank you.